What happened to your Xbox, you said, sir?
So this is my son's Xbox. He was using it for a while. All of a sudden it stopped working, and it's showing a no signal on the screen, on the TV. And he thought maybe the HDMI, he might have broke it or something. Is that something that you can repair or fix for me?
Don't worry. I got you.
Awesome, awesome. I heard you're the man. You want a treat? Do you want a treat? Here you go. Yeah, good job. Here. Yes, what a good job. What a good dog. Good job. Give me your paw. Have your paw? Yeah. Good boy.
Wow. Get this dust.
Finally.
Alright, we are testing the Xbox. Nice. It work. Let's see what game he has. Rocket League. All of this game. Roblox. And it's good to go. If you need your Xbox or PlayStation done, you know where to come. Your Xbox is ready, sir. Now it's good to go.
Wow, man, that's fantastic. I can't believe you turned it around this quick. It's all set, ready to go. My son could fire it up.
Yep.
Awesome, man. You're the best. I appreciate the quick service, and it looks actually cleaner than when I brought it in. So, thanks for that.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you. Can't wait to get it to my son so he could
Play
enjoy
his game.
Xbox again, man. Thank you
No
so much.
problem.